Dear students, we are in Eamcet mathematics and also we are in limits and continuity 1B 8th chapter. 3 classes we have finished until now. I think 12 questions we have finished. Okay. Now from question number 13 to 16 we are going to finish in this class. This is the 4th class. Let us see what they have given. Even though it is old question 1985, but see the model. Because see, we will do such questions 1 square, 2 square, up to n square or something like sigma, like some questions, 3-4 questions we will do in this class. Okay, we will go to good experience. But because see, from basic onwards you have to start, that is why I have taken this question answer. Okay, now see, we know 1 square plus 2 square means what we are going to write. See what I am writing. Limit n tends to infinity, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Is it okay? Definitely okay. But because see, 1 plus 2 plus up to n is there means n into n plus 1 by 2. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square means there n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to n cube is there means n into n plus 1 by 2 but whole square. These three we require, that's all enough. Why? Because 1 to the power of 4 normally we don't get it. Okay, see. But what about n cube? N cube is also there. Denominator means directly shall I write like this? Definitely I can write. Why? We see now what I am doing. First I am cancelling this. This is going to become n square. That's all. Okay. Now you proceed further. Limit n tends to infinity. You see 2n square plus n plus 2n plus 1 by 6n square. Okay, n was there but n square it has become. Okay, now what we are going to do? Infinity is there means constant by infinity how to get. That means you divide, you bring what we can say, take common of n. See here n square is there means n square you take common. Okay, that is the logic. Then let us proceed. Limit n tends to infinity, n square if I take common from numerator, you see 2n plus n, 3n it is. Okay, don't forget that is 3n. That means you see n square if you take it is becoming only 3 plus 3n is there. 3n means n square if you take automatically 3 by n it is going to become. Okay, if you send inside n is going to cancel out 3n, it is going to become n plus 2n 3n. Okay, plus 1 by n square. Why? Because n square, if you send n square going to get cancelled out, 1 will be there, 1 is there. Okay, divide it by, here there is no, not required to take any common. Why? Because already common is there. N square you cancel out. Then finally what you are going to write? You are going to write like this, you see. Limit n tends to infinity, 2 plus 3 by n plus 1 by n square divided by 6. Okay. Now you apply limit infinity. If you apply automatically 2 plus 3 by infinity, 0 plus 1 by infinity square, 0 divided by 6. That is equal to 2 by 6. That is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 will be your answer. Okay. Let us go for next question and we will do such type of questions only. 3 more questions. Okay. Let us go. Okay. See question number 14. This is also like earlier question only, but we have to what we can say, get the answer. 27 by 16 has to come. Let us see. Even though it is a old question, but for the sake of model I have taken this question. Limit n tends to infinity, n into 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube whole square. Don't forget, the whole square is also there. Divided by 1 square plus 2 square plus up to n square whole cube. Okay, this is there. But this formula we know. Let us proceed then according to formula. Okay, see how I am writing. Limit n tends to infinity, n cube comes means what it is going to become? N into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. That means see n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, but already another square is there. Okay, divided by, what about square means? Just now we have done n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. This is whole cube. Okay, first you write this, then again you go back. Okay, limit n tends to infinity, n into, you see to the power of 4 is there, that means see n to the power of 4 segregation I am doing, n to the power of 4, n plus 1 whole to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 4, all divided by n cube, n plus 1 whole cube, 2n plus 1 whole cube divided by 6 cube. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Now you see here n into n to the power of 4 means n to the power of 5 is there, here n cube is there. Okay? See what I am writing now, that is equal to limit n tends to infinity. See n cube means n to the power of 4, n square will be there, n square. Okay, into n plus 1 cube, n plus 1 4, n plus 1 4 will come, n plus 1 will come, that's all. Why? Because n plus 1 4 cube have cancelled, that means see here completely these have got cancelled. Okay, denominator. And 2 power 4, 2 power 4 means what I can write? 16. Okay, now you see into, you reverse it, 6 cube, 36 into 6 divided by, see these two got cancelled, now you have got only 2n plus 1 whole cube, 2n plus 1 whole cube. Is it okay? Stop and see whether it is correct or not. Okay, now you see here also cube is there, here also cube is there, n cube. We can take n cube. Before that you see 4 4s, 4 9s. Okay, 2 2s, 2 3s. 27 by 2 you take common outside, that is equal to 27 by 2. 27 by 2 I have taken out. Limit n tends to infinity. Okay, now you see n cube I am taking common numerator. N cube if I take common, see n square is there, n also I have taken common, then it is going to become n into n square, n cube. 1 plus 1 by n. 1 plus 1 by n. This is numerator case. Now come back here. Here also n cube I am taking common. Cube is there, you observe carefully, cube is there. That means n cube you take common. 2 plus 1 by n. 2 plus 1 by n whole cube actually it is. Okay? Cube matched, but because here cube is there, here nothing is there, that is why only that has come. Okay, now you see n cube got cancelled here. Okay, now you apply limit. See, you can apply limit, but outside 27 by 2 is still like that only. Okay, write down 27 by 2 into, if you apply limit you should not write 1 plus 1 by infinity, 1 plus 0, write down 1 plus 0 divided by 1 plus 0, sorry this is 2, 2n is there, n cube you have taken, but 2 plus 1 by n will come. Okay, don't forget it. 2 cube, 2 plus 0 whole cube. Okay, that is equal to, see 27 by 2 into 1 by 8. 2 cube, 2 plus 0 means 2, 2 cube is 8. Okay, now you see 27 by 16, that's all. Okay, 27 by 16 will be your answer. Let us go for next question. Okay, see 15th question. Limit n tends to infinity 1 by 3 into 7. This is not 3.7. 1 by 3 into 7 plus 1 by 7 into 11 plus 1 by 11 into 15 plus up to n terms. Eamcet 2019 question. Okay. Observe carefully how I am going to deal this question. Okay. This is very carefully how to apply. Limit n tends to infinity. See what I am writing. Something I have to take common, but before taking common, I am writing here that common I have left here. Okay, you see, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7 minus 1 by 11 plus 1 by 11 minus 1 by 15 plus. Is it correct? First you see. 7 minus 3, 4. 4 by 3 into 7. 3 into 7. But 4 is there, numerator. That means to counter it, you keep 1 by 4 outside. Okay, here 4 will come. 7 minus 3. 4 by 7 into 3. 7 into 3. 4 going to get cancelled out. Here also you see. 11 minus 7. 4 by 7 into 11. 4 by 4 going to get cancelled out. Like this it is there. Okay, now you tell me last two terms like this, what will come? See, first term has come 3 denominator. That means you see, first term means n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1, 3 is coming means shall I take 4n minus 1? Or else 3n you have to take. 3n you cannot take. Why? Because I am telling here. Here second term. 4n, sorry, first term only 4n plus 3. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Why? Because see 4n plus 3 means 4 into 1. 4 plus 3, 7. 4n minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3. Okay? Now you write and see whether it is correct or not. Okay, see 1 by 4n minus 1 minus 1 by 4n plus 3. Okay? And now you see 4n plus 3 minus 4n minus or minus plus 1 divided by 4n minus 1 into 4n plus 3. Okay, now you see plus 4n minus 4n going to get cancelled out. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 is going to cancel out. Okay, 1 will come, that is not a problem. 4n minus 1 into 4n plus 3. Definitely correct. Why? Because see, if you take n as 10, automatically 40 minus 1, 39. 40 plus 3, 43. 1 by 39, 1 by 43. 43 minus 39, 4 divided by 49, 39 into 43. Same thing is going to come. Okay? That means whatever we have written is correct only. Now proceed further then. Now we proceed further. Okay, now you see limit n tends to infinity 1 by 4. Okay, now observe carefully. 1 by 3 I will write. 1 by 7 plus minus, 1 by 11 plus minus, 1 by 15, all are going to get cancelled out except this last term. You cancel this also. Okay? First term and last term will be there, remaining all in between going to get cancelled. That means 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4n plus 3 will be there, remaining all are going to get cancelled out. Now proceed further. Limit n tends to infinity 1 by 4 into 4n plus 3 minus 3. Into 4n plus 3. n plus 9. Other 3 into also you can take. Okay? Now, one by 3 minus 4n plus 3. 4n plus 3 minus 3. See, plus 3 minus 3 going to get cancelled out. This is going to become what? This is going to become this. You see, limit n tends to infinity 1 by 4 into, okay, only 4n will be there numerator, okay, divided by 12n plus 3. Yeah, 12n plus 3, let it be 12n plus 9, not 3. Okay, now you see, I am taking what? I am taking n as common. Okay, if I take n as common, n is going to get cancelled out. Then write down limit n tends to infinity 1 by 4 into n. If I take common, 4 will be there, okay, divided by, here also n if you take common, okay, 12 will be there, okay, plus 9 by n will be there. 9 by n. If you send n, 12 n plus 9. Okay. Now you cancel out this n. You cancel out this n. Now first to write, then we will apply limit. Limit n tends to infinity 1 by 4 into 4 by 12 plus 9 by n. Okay. Now you apply limit. 1 by 4 into, if you apply limit 4 divided by 12 plus 0. Why? Denominator infinity means this is going to become 0. 12 plus 0. Okay, now you see 12 plus 0 means 1 by 4 into 4 by 12. 4 going to get cancelled out. So 1 by 12 will be your answer. Understand? Let us go for next question. Okay, see 16 question. Limit n tends to infinity 6 square plus 12 square plus 18 square up to 6n whole square divided by 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus up to 5n into 2 cube plus 4 cube plus up to 8n cube is how much like they are asking. Eamcet 2018 question. Okay, little bit carefully how to tackle this question. Okay, see how I am going to tackle this question. Limit n tends to infinity. See 6 square, 12 square like that is there. Last if you observe 6n whole square means 6 square shall I take common? See you are taking common but outside square is there still. Okay, see what I am doing now. Inside only I am taking common first 6 square. But because outside square still I have to write. 6 square if I take common, 6 square into 1 square. 6 square into 2 square. Why? Because see both are power same means 6 into 2 whole square. 12 square. Okay, plus 6 into 3 whole square. Like that it will be up to 6 already gone plus n square. Okay, but whole to the power of square again. Okay, that means 6 to the power of 4 will come. Okay, that we keep in our mind. Here also, so how are we going to tackle this? Here also you see 5 if I take common, you see what I am doing. 5 I have taken common, then 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. Is it correct first you see? Why? Because 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 5n. Okay? Yes. This also you see I am taking 2 cube as common. Then 1 cube plus 2 cube plus n cube. Is it correct? 2 into 1 cube, 2 into 2 cube, 4 cube, 2 into 3 cube, 2 into n whole cube. 2 into n whole cube means 2 cube n cube. Is it okay? Yes. Now we can change this formula accordingly. Okay. Now proceed further. Why? Because this formula we know. Write down. Limit n tends to infinity. Shall I write 6 to the power of 6 to the power of 4? Okay. And you see here what will happen. This square means n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. But whole to the power of square is there. Why? Because after this again square is there. For this 6 square again square is there. 6 to the power of 4 we have written already. Okay. Now denominator also you write it. This we know n into n plus 1. 5 into n plus 1 by 2. Simply n into n plus 1 by 2. 5 is there. Okay. That is over. Into 8. 2 cube. Okay. This cube formula also we know. N into n plus same formula square we have to apply. That means you see n square n plus 1 square by 2 square. That means 4. Okay. N into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. N square n plus 1 square 2 square 4. Okay. Over. Now you segregate this. Why? Because see something divided by something, a by b by c by d, a by b into d by c. I want to write like this in that manner. Okay. Write down then. Limit n tends to infinity 6 to the power of 4. 36 into 36. Shall I write? See 6 square is there already here. 6 square shall I write? 6 square. Okay. Yes. 6 square only. 6 square means 36 will be there. Now there is no denominator for numerator. See here, numerator, denominator, are there. Like that are there, okay? Now this 6 square will not come. Why? Because 6 square we have already cancelled. 6 to the power of 4, 6 square will come 36. Okay, now you see n square, n plus 1 square, 2n plus 1 square. Okay, divided by. Okay, now here also you see 2 into 4 together is going to get cancelled out 8. That means here also no denominator then. Only 5 will be there. 5. See here also n cube will be there. N into n square. N cube. N plus 1 whole cube. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Now see n square completely cancel out and here n will be there. N plus 1 square completely cancel out, here only n plus 1 will be there. Okay? If that is the condition, shall I take 36 by 5 outside? Okay? Write down then. Okay? 36 by 5 limit n tends to infinity. Okay, now numerator only 2n plus 1 whole square. 2n plus 1 whole square divided by denominator, observe carefully, n is there. N into n plus 1. N into n plus 1. Okay, see, here also n square, here also n square, you have to take common, that's all. Let us take common. 36 by 5 limit n tends to infinity. N square, if you take common, 2 plus 1 by n whole square. Okay, numerator. Denominator also n square, if you take common, 1 plus 1 by n. Here square, here nothing is there. Okay, now we cancel out these two. Okay, and now you write down. I think the red we have not yet used it. The red we have to use. Okay, now write down 36 by 5 into, I am applying limit. Okay, if I apply limit 2 plus 0 but whole square divided by 1 plus 0, that's all. No, nothing square is there. Okay, now we go for 36 by 5 into 2 square will be 4. 2 square will be 4. 4 6 are 24, 4 3 are 12 plus 2, 14. 144 by 5. Okay, this will be answer for this question. Okay, now you stop this class, we will continue in the next class. Okay, thank you very much.